Hello everyone, my name is Brianna Hayden and I'm here to give you a tour of my professional website. Okay, so on my first page, my home page, I have just my header and my bio, has a little bit about me, and down at the bottom of each page you can see two small links, one to my LinkedIn account and one to my Pinterest account. I'll click those and see if they work. Yep, and here is my LinkedIn account. Let's go back. So on the top of my web page, I have several different tabs. If you go to the first tab, it is my education. Okay, and I have my schools listed here with a little description. The next tab is my experience, so my work history. I just have a couple things on here with a short description. The next tab is my web resources. So these are my top online resources. On this page, if you scroll down to the bottom, you can click over here. Each page has a new website and you can click through the links. So from this page, if you go back up to the top, you can find my lesson plan on the next tab. So here I have a short description. My lesson plan was focused on practicing pronunciation through technology. So here I have a little blurb, and down below is a link to a PDF which you can download and view. Moving to the next part, we have Teaching Online tab, and this one has the pros and cons. So I have a small section on the pros and a small section on the cons. Also on the top here, I have a link to get in touch with my email if needed. So that is my professional website. I hope you enjoyed it and have a nice day.